Just cooking my breakfast. Our Airbnb host, oh my egg broke. Our Airbnb host brought us some bread and eggs and stuff, so yeah.
Pretty easy to work out, eh?
First time using a toaster oven. Good morning, beautiful people. We are in our first full day of Tokyo. I have no idea what we're doing today. It was going to be a toss-up between the government building, Shibuya, and then also like Shinjuku, Harajuku, and Akihabara, but I'm not really sure what we're doing now because it's a weekend. A lot of people will obviously be off school and off work, and also there'll be a lot more tourists because it's obviously a weekend. So yeah, the boys don't really want to go where there's a lot of people, which makes it really hard because there is a lot of people in the city. So we've left Tokyo Zoo to Monday.
Right, whānau, we're in Tokyo day one. We're just going to the Pokemon store, Mega Eater.
Yeah, but you believe?
Some toys for the kids, but it's pretty packed in, pretty crowded. And as you guys already know, I don't really like people that much. Not a lot of people anyway. Tara! Where else are we going today?
Akihabara, Shinjuku.
Red Light District.
Red Light District.
A lot of people, whānau. What do you think, Tara? Liking all the people?
It's very hot here.
It's very hot, eh? It's like 31 degrees Celsius today.
There's a lot more people than in our Airbnb area. And there's a lot of tall buildings here too.
Yeah. KFC, Japan.
It's not a lot different.
You'll find it so different here. So packed. And they sell beer at the KFC. That sounds awesome.
They are rotating, it's so strange.
What's rotating? Oh, the mannequin.
Look at all the grabbing machines. It smells like smoke in here because people are allowed to smoke here in certain smoking areas. So it just smells like smoke. But these are all the music based ones. Oh, I like this one, my favorite ones. These amazing games. They're so cool. Street Fighter and the Tekken, for those who are really keen on Tekken. Ooh, oh my god, look at this game, whānau. This game is an RTS game where you use cards to control your soldiers by moving the cards. So you might have cavalry and you move the cavalry around. See? Pretty fucking cool. Got a brother over here. So we came to the Pokemon Center for the kids. So we can get Pokemon toys for the kids. God, look how packed it is. You got it? So whānau, here we are at the Pokemon Center. Trying to get a toy, but we just found out these are $60 New Zealand, but in Korea they're only $18 at US. But here they're about 45 USD. So if you're gonna get it in Korea. It's much cheaper.
I think that's cute.
In fact, overall everything is cheaper in Korea, including the food. But look how packed it is. Look, that's the line, whānau. It goes right out the store. Woo! Look, and then that's not even, the line goes up there and then around the corner. There's Charizard. Nish Mewtwo. Oh look, there's your pack watch. It's right. Was it Rhydon?
Yeah, it's right.
I can't remember. But honestly, whānau, that's the line. Look at that.
You can buy croissants at KFC. This is an apple pie.
So there's my peri-peri chicken. What is that, huh? Apple pie.
Apple pie.
And a KFC.
Piece of chicken.
And a little coke. Whānau, like a little beer. See ya, dear. Heading off to the government building out there. You'll get a better look soon. We're gonna go up the top.
These buildings are freaking impressive, eh?
Way bigger than what we can make.
I don't think this is the building. I think that is.
Yeah, you're going through here.
Do you?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure it's keep walking.
You need to go underground first on the bottom level, and that's how you get to the observatory. However, it might be closed on a weekend. Oh, what's today? It's closed. Yeah, just today. It's only closed today for inspections. Ala whānau, we've just come to Akihabara and lift at a performance. So here we are in Akihabara and we're in this like cactus shop. Whoa, it's like crazy nuts in here. It's like tiny, whoa, tiny little pathways, but it's super cool, crazy here. We wanted in this one as more retro consoles.
Did you hear that though, Wadamo? You're like, we got it and we go home. And it's like, you're not going home. We're looking around Akihabara. There's a building that's green, so I'm coming off green.
Here I am, whānau, with our old Uncle Sanders. Kia ora, Uncle Sanders. Pia na hui rānei. How are you today?
So at the supermarket I got some orange juice, some tampons, I got some chocolate because this was pretty good, some bread. These are really cool, they come in like half loaves for people who are by themselves. And then I got some chicken, which this was 171 yen, and then I got some bananas.